5.25 trillion plastic particles are in marine environments, with over 8 to 10 million metric tons of plastics entering the oceans annually. After taking a deep dive in statistics regarding pollution, this 2024 study by Science Directly addresses the severe crisis and how rapidly it is escalating in our world today. Pollution has continuously been affecting our ocean for decades by contaminating the water and disturbing marine life. To start off, I would love to discuss what exactly it is that causes pollution in our oceans, the effect that it has on our marine lives, and lastly, ways we can work to minimize the waste that gets into our ocean. There are many factors that play into pollution of our ocean, but the two biggest problems we see today is plastic waste and oil spills. A 2025 statistic by Sea Your Dreams states that 12 million metric tons dumped into oceans annually when they are discussing plastic waste. 1 metric ton is equivalent to 2,204 pounds, meaning 26.4 billion pounds of plastic is being dumped into our ocean at least once a year. Plastic waste is the number one issue when it comes to pollution. There are so many ways plastic makes its way into our oceans, but it can kill marine life and it causes a very, very hazardous environment for the animals. The second leading cause of pollution, like I mentioned earlier, is oil spills. In the same Sea Your Dreams article I discussed just a little bit ago, they also state 1.3 million gallons of oil spilled per year in our oceans. Although oil spills are accidental and caused by things like transportation errors and pipeline failures, small spills tend to occur very frequently, and over time they really start to add up. The oil is extremely hazardous to marine life by contaminating their food, and it can also coat their bodies, making it hard for them to move. After understanding that pollution stems from plastic waste and oil spills, let's discuss the different effects that this has on marine life. With plastic waste constantly making its way to our ocean, it has become a huge problem with how often animals are ingesting it. Animals often mistake the trash for food, and when they consume it, it causes major damage to their insides. Trash can cause a block in their intestines, making it hard for food to pass through their digestive system. Another way it can harm them is if they consume sharp trash, which can tear up their insides, causing them to bleed internally, eventually leading to death. Another way is it can cause poisoning, and with those toxins inside their bodies, it makes it extremely hard for them to survive that way. And lastly,